Okay, our next transformation is a rotation, which we all know is just what? A turn. So on the little graph sheet of paper, if we all grabbed one of these, will you graph this triangle on your little graph piece of paper?
It's funny, I'm leaving.
You leaving?
Yeah.
Okay, when?
12 minutes.
Okay, I'll say goodbye when you go.
Alright.
And I would make your like points like pretty like evident and big, so you know that that's where they are, and label them. Eight. You need one of everything?
Yeah, because someone took it.
No, it's okay. Okay, this is called tracing paper or patty paper. Like, you know, when you go to like a deli and they separate the hamburger by like patty paper, this is it. But what's nice about this is if you lay this on top of your graph, you should be able to see through it, right?
Yeah.
So what I want you to do is to lay this over your graph, and then I want you to trace out the origins, like the XY axis, to go like this. Trace this part out. Doesn't need to be very big, just so you know it's there. And then go over your ordered pairs on your tracing paper like this, and then make sure you label them. And let me know once you guys have gotten that far.
Oh yeah, and I actually know what I'm doing now too.
Are we all there? Okay, so we're going to figure out what a 90-degree rotation would be. So take, and when you rotate, everything's counterclockwise, okay? So you're going to take your patty paper and turn it 90 degrees to the left.
I can't.
Sure you can.
Oh.
Do you see it?
I get it.
Wait till the points there they are.
Yep, so now what would be my ordered pair of A prime?
-3, 2.
You guys agree?
-3, 2.
-3, 2. What's B prime?
Just switch.
What's B?
B is negative.
B is -7.5.
-7.5. C prime would be
-5.
-5, 8. So what do you think our rule is?
Switch them and then opposite of the.
Flip the numbers and then make one negative.
Which one do we make negative?
First one.
The X. So on your notes, let's write that in for our 90-degree rotation rule.
Well, it's just like whatever thing you're going.
Yep. So you flip them and then you make the Y the opposite value. Can you guys read that? Negative Y on the X. Poor choice of color. I'll fix that for next time.
Clockwise is over there, right?
Clockwise, yeah, think goes it this way. Counterclockwise goes to the left. We're always going to go to the left.
That's counterclockwise.
Yeah, we're going to go counterclockwise.
Oh,
We okay? Okay, let's go back to our patty paper. Now let's figure out what the 180 degree would be. So turn it again, your patty paper, and we'll figure out what our ordered pairs are.
you're supposed to draw it right this somewhere.
-2, -3 for A.
-2, are you leaving?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Gotta get your homework. Is he actually leaving? Or does he need to go? Okay. -2, -3. Do you actually need, are you actually leaving?
Mhm.
Where are you going?
You just said I need homework.
But I'm wondering where you're going.
Home.
You realize if you leave, That's not an excuse, it's a cut. Right? Hour detention? See you later. Bye. Okay, what's B?
Is it girlfriend?
He has a girl.
What did you guys get for B?
I got negative.
-5, -7, and C?
Or is it -8?
-8,
-5. Okay, what's our rule?
Just switch them and then make them negative.
Are we switching them though?
No.
Actually, no.
We're just making them negative.
Yeah.
So for 180, oops, getting just so excited. -x, -y.
Yo.
Okay, and then let's try 270. So that'd be 3 turns around. Okay, so what is the ordered pair of A?
2 -3.
2, -3. Nope, that's not right.
3 -2.
3, -2. What about B?
7.
7, -5. And C?
5 -8.
So now what happened to our ordered pairs?
We switch them and we make them
the
Y.
Y.
Yep, you flip them, and you make your, it's actually your X when it goes over there, but we'll look at that. So they switch spots, and then the X becomes negative, or the opposite value. So on your test, you can use this, so next week. You can use these, it's more like a quiz, quest, whatever you want to call it, I don't know.
We do like a harder then.
It's not really like a partner test because you have to do it like all on a graph. But you can either memorize these, I'm not going to give them to you, or you can use this. It's your choice. Either way, however your brain works. Works for me. Should we try some more?
Yes.
Okay. Triangle ABC, let's graph it, and then we're going to do a 90-degree turn.
Why do they look so weird?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
2, 7. Wait, I can't even tell what the center is.
Can you just make your own? Can you outline it with like a pen, or just make it dark with your pencil?
Yeah.
Do you guys think you're going to use the patty paper, or do you guys think you're going to use the rules? What do you want to do?
Oh yeah, we can use the
Patties.
rules. Rules is way easier.
So I'll show you with the rule, or the patty paper, if you were to trace it out. But you still have to graph it though. Did you graph it?
Graph the result.
Yep, you have to graph both. You should have both triangles on your paper.
Yeah.
So that's what it would look like if you use the patty paper. But if we use our rule, it's -yx. So it'd be -7, 2. -5, 6. -1, 4.
Wait, for 180, do you make -x and, or do you make x and y both negative?
I don't know, what'd you write for your rule?
I think I might have gotten that wrong.
myself.
Yeah, negative. Yeah, negative. I think if you use the patty paper, I think the easiest thing is to move it and then write in your ordered pairs and then go back and graph it. That's, I think, is the easiest way to accomplish that. Are we all moving on to the next one? like it, okay? Moving on. Square PQRS.
The last one kind
You already did all of them?
Yep.
You guys are so fast. Are you guys putting the prime marks when you draw your image?
Oh, I don't even type mine.
But you have to. Start now. Start now.
That's not fair.
So am I gonna have to go back on all and relabel?
Nope, just start now. Or we can take a class vote, guys. What do you think?
What?
Do we make him go back and do it?
No.
No.
You guys mean whatever.
I'm just kidding. No, you don't have to.
What did I do?
You don't have to. Just start now.
Yes. Oh, I actually didn't put him prime. Never mind. I know I did.
Did you do it right?
Shut yourself up. Not this one. That one's fine. It's the last
The last one, okay. We'll do it in just a second. I'll make sure everyone's good on the second one before we move on. Okay. 270. Oh boy, are you all right there, Will?
My kids hit me in the gut.
Oh, I'm actually kind of confused.
No, I did it right.
You're confused?
Oh wait, never mind. Never mind.
Ugh.
Are you guys confused that it's not starting in the first quadrant? Is that why?
No.
I mean, no.
No, it's easy.
It's still just 3 turns. 3 turns. If you're using the patty paper. Yeah?
I get it.
You get it?
Yeah.
How do I make 0 negative?
You just put a negative in front of it.
Is there such thing as negative
No.
0?
It stays there.
It's just
I
a
don't
0.
think it really matters because I put the negative in front of
Yes,
it.
that'd be awesome.
Either way, it's 0.
Come on, Will. Negative 2, 0. G prime. Negative 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. H prime. Negative 8, 1, 2. Are we still confused?
No. Ow. What are you doing?
Too funny.
Do we throw these away? Wait.
Yeah. It's just if you need it as a tool or not. It's up to you. However you want to do your rotations. Are we okay? You feel okay?
Yes.
Senor,